Hey you, yeah you, are you sitting there thinking, I want to show off my Midjourney masterpiece, but where? Cue the drum roll, please. Discord. What's Discord, you ask? So for those of you who've been living under a rock, no judgment, Discord is like this epic chat platform. It's where communities come together to talk about everything under the sun. Originally for gamers, but now it's like the virtual hangout spot for literally everyone. Why Discord for Midjourney, you ask? Because it's interactive. You can share your art, get feedback, or even slide into a voice chat to talk color palettes or whatever floats your artistic boat. Now, the Midjourney Discord server is where the magic happens. We're talking about a bustling marketplace of ideas, folks. Artists, hobbyists, and I don't even know what I'm doing, but it looks cool people are there. You can throw ideas back and forth, get inspired, and maybe even team up for collabs. And let me tell you, this server is hopping. Channels dedicated to different styles, trends, and tips. You post a question and bam, you've got like 10 answers. But hold on, the best part, it's the people. Midjourney Discord is packed with kind, supportive folks. They celebrate your wins and give you that push when you're stuck in a creative rut. But you're not just using a tool, you're joining a tribe of like-minded art lovers. So if you're feeling the Midjourney vibe, you've got to check out their Discord server. Trust me, your artistic soul will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting AI explorations. That's all for today's adventure in the world of AI. Remember, the journey to abundance might just start with the next Imagine command you type. See you next time.